Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn the most important property in Excel VBA, which is offset property. So the offset property in Excel VBA takes the range, which is a particular number of rows and columns away from a certain range. You can see I have placed a comment button here. So where you will find the comment button, you will find the comment button inside the developer tab, and then click on insert and then take the ActiveX controls. Then click on design mode, select the comment button and click on view code. Then this Visual Basic editor will open. Okay, so you can see I have write down here a code range A1 A2 dot offset 2 dot 1 dot interior dot color index equal to 25. So what it will do, it will color B3 and B3 and B4. Okay, the white background will change in a blue color, because the offset property always take the top left cell of a range as the starting point. So here our top left cell is A1. So what it will do, A1 and the row number is 2. So 1, 2. Okay, and then one column. So it will take B, column B, and row 3 and 4. So let's see what it will do. Just click on comment button. See, the color has been changed. So that's the way you can use the offset property. By using offset property, I will recommend you to create a pattern. Okay, just like you have colored these two, and also colored these two, then these two cells, and then these two cells. So create a pattern like this and attach and send your file in my email ID so that I will have a look. If you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button, because you will get all the updates from my channel. And if you like this video, please press the like button. Thanks for watching.